Hey, Vincent. What you doing? What you doing this morning? And you say Happy Father's Day to the daddies and the grandpas? Yes. Say thank you for being your wonderful selves. Yes. Say thank you. Yeah. Yes. I say Happy Father's Day. We love you. Yes. Tell them about it, Vincent. Tell them all about it. Yeah? Oh, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Oh, God bless you. So happy Father's Day to the daddies and the grandpas from all of us here. Yes. 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 Yeah. Yeah.